Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you thought last year's iPhone was peak innovation, think again. Because Apple just dropped the iPhone 16, and let me tell you, it's more than just an upgrade. It's a whole new way of thinking about your smartphone. This isn't just a spec bump. This is Apple rewriting the rules again. Let's break down exactly what makes the iPhone 16 the smartest iPhone yet. First off, the design. Apple has refined the edges again. It's slightly thinner, more durable, and yes, the rumored capture button is real. Located below, the power button. It lets you instantly snap photos or videos with pro-level responsiveness. Think of it as a shutter button, but smarter. And that display? We're looking at a stunning 6.3-inch ProMotion OLED on the standard Pro and a massive 6.9-inch on the Pro Max, with thinner bezels than ever. Peak brightness? A jaw-dropping 3000 nits. Say goodbye to squinting in the sun. Under the hood, the A18 Pro chip is an absolute beast. It's built for speed, yes, but more importantly, it's optimized for on-device AI. We're talking real-time photo editing, smarter Siri interactions, and live language translation, all without sending data to the cloud. Siri isn't just a voice assistant anymore. It's a true smart companion. Need to summarize your notes? Translate a text from Japanese to English? Draft an email? Siri now does it instantly, with full privacy. The camera system has been completely reimagined. The Pro models feature a 48 megapixel main sensor, a Periscope-style 6x optical zoom, and smarter low-light processing. Apple calls it Photon engine. 2, and it's scary good. Your night shots are cleaner, brighter, and full of detail. Video? It now supports 8K recording and a new cinematic motion mode that mimics film camera panning. It's not just for creators, it's for everyone. And yes, battery life is better. Apple claims up to 2 more hours than last year's Pro Max. Plus, fast charging now gives you 50% in just 16 minutes. If you're looking for raw power, pro cameras, and AI that actually makes your life easier, this might just be the iPhone to beat. Let me know your favorite feature down in the comments. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tech drops just like this. Thanks for watching.